How to take less time installing a child safety seat and still provide good protection to the young passenger. Normal ECE R129 safety features include top tether strap, Isofix, and anti-rotation leg. This not only means that seats are bigger, it also means drivers need to plug in and tighten up seats, and then open the rear door to buckle up the top tether strap from the back. That makes installing a child safety seat more difficult and more time-consuming. Then consider that different ages of child require different types of seat, installed in a different way, more time-consuming. With Taxie by Trafold, you only need one seat. For all children of 1 year and above, one scalable configuration, which when folded is the size of a piece of hand luggage. Just unlock the base, flip it over, adjust the headrest, and you are good to go. When you are finished, just fold it back up and store it in the boot, leaving plenty of room for passenger luggage. In this scenario, preparing a child safety seat for a 7-year-old, the Taxie child safety seat takes 2 steps less to install. That is a full 25% quicker. Taxie is quicker and easier to install, and it's built to the latest ECE R129 safety standard.